I'm here with Patrick. Can you describe a little bit about what this booth is?
Yeah, so we're Miirushop. We're a small Taiwanese retail store. We actually went to Taiwan last year and we sourced a lot of skincare that's made out of these really natural ingredients. So we brought goji berries, red dates, pearl barley, just to show what's in this like really natural skincare.
Where can people access Miiri? Is it online or do you have a physical shop for everyone?
It's online. Our most popular destination is Instagram. So at Miirushop, that's Miiru shop. Yeah, people love to interact way more there than online. And Facebook and everywhere.
Very cool. I see that you guys offer skincare products, but then you also have meditation and mindful tasking. Can you describe more about that?
Yeah, so we're really into the Taiwanese beauty kind of culture, and the culture is very different than American beauty. They actually focus holistically on your body, on being calm and thinking more about your health. So they pair masking, like sheet masking, with meditation pretty often, and we're doing 5-minute classes every half hour for that.
Okay, very cool. So if you guys want to have access to Taiwanese skincare from locally sourced Taiwanese products, check out Miiri and Patrick.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Patrick from Miirushop. This is our mask wall. We actually separated this mask wall by different skin types, and we had our designer make this homemade Formosan black bear with a little bit of acne on the Formosan black bear, a little bit of dry skin, and a little bit of anti-aging. So these are perfect sheet masks for whether you're a bear or a human. These are great masks from Miirushop.
These are all sourced in Taiwan.
Yeah, these are actually all Taiwanese masks. We were just traveling there last year. I took a 3-month sabbatical and we were just hanging out in Taiwan, and we put all these companies on a sheet of paper and we just started cold calling them.
Oh, wow.
And
can you describe a little bit about Miiri and how did Miiri start? How old is Miiri?
So Miirushop is only 1 year old. It was me and Eden. So my co-founder is not here. She's taking a little lunch break. But we were just sitting in Taiwan looking at all these sheet masks, these really good ingredients. And we took all the companies, wrote them on a piece of paper, and started calling them. And we're here now.
That's a really interesting story. So a Taiwanese company just started in Taiwan. It's 1 year old. So we should all support Taiwanese companies. These are Taiwanese materials. Check out Miiri.
Yeah. Check out Miiri, and if you find us online, we do some live skincare meditations, and those are super fun.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Quick moment to thank one of our sponsors here. Alo Drink is committed to crafting deliciously refreshing drinks that support healthy lifestyles. Their drinks are infused with real all-natural aloe vera juice and pulp, a fine source of vitamins and essential amino acids. So go buy some from the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival info booth if you're looking for refreshments. All right, that's our sponsor plug for the afternoon.